Hi. So we're continuing with the coding challenges from this book, Elements of Programming Interviews. We are on the page 27. So the coding challenge is named Computing the Parity of a Word. So what? Let's just go to sketchboard. Okay. So parity. The column challenge expects us to write a function, and this function accepts number. So let's just represent this number in binary. Let's say that we have a number which is 0, right? The function 0, maybe a few more numbers, 1 0 1 0 1 1, and maybe one more, 1 1 1 0. Let's have this number. Okay, cool. So we create a function that accepts this input, and the output should be if the number has an odd number of ones, returns 0. If it's even number of ones, it returns 1, right? So here we have odd numbers of 1, right? Even, odd. Okay, cool. So here again we have 1 1, so this is odd, we return 1. Here we have 2 ones, we return 0, right? So 1 2 3 4, again it's even number of ones, we return 0. Okay. Let's make this smaller. Okay. So how should we solve this? One way of solving this would be to just, let's have a number. Let's have maybe this number. Okay, 1 0 1 1 1, right? One way of solving this would be just to go through each bits and toggle the less significant bit, right? And how do we toggle the bits? Let's have, if we have, say, x, or return value, which is result, let's say it's 0, and to toggle 0 from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0, what we do is just use an XOR bitwise operator, so like this, right? Just bitwise it by 1, and we toggle the results all the time. So now it becomes 1, and if we do it one more time, it becomes 0, right? Okay, so let's talk about time space complexity for this one. Yeah. So if we traverse, because we're traversing, it's of n time, n represents the number of bits, but we will optimize it even further. We could just use a trick to remove just the last significant bit just once, right, and toggle them. And for space, we just have one variable that holds the 0 or 1, so the space is constant. Cool. Right, so the book, the function name in the book is parity. So let's do the same. So def parity x. Okay, so our results will be stored in the res variable. It will start as 0, because if the number is 0, we have odd number of ones, we return a result which is correct. Okay, and while x is not 0, what do? We remove 1, right? If we know it's not 0, it has at least one bit. So we do x and x minus 1, right? If you don't know how this works, you can write a number or check out the previous video that I made explain how this function works. But basically we're just removing least significant bit, right? In this case, we first remove this guy, and then this guy, and so on, right? Okay, so we remove the least significant bit, and we need to toggle the res variable. So we toggle it but with XOR operator, and after we're done, we just return res, right? Okay, cool. So let's implement this in code editor as well. So res is 0 while we have x. Need to toggle res with 1 and just return res after we're done. So let's see if this works. Okay, I need to change something. Once again, run. Okay, all tests passed. Cool. Yeah, I think that's it. Like, if you have any suggestions on how to improve the code even further, please leave a comment. It would be much appreciated. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and until next time, bye.